Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making broccoli slaw omelette. So this is the slaw that you can find at any grocery store. You can find that one along with those salad pack already. And also this is only like a few ingredients: green onions, garlic powder, black pepper, and cornstarch, and I put a little chicken powder, and Italian seasoning, and egg. That's it. I've been wanting to do this, to try this broccoli slaw. I already tried this cabbage. That was good. But I want also to try this broccoli slaw, how it goes. Okay, let's get started. I tried to break this out earlier, but it won't break, so there you go. So we're gonna stir this one until it's really smooth, and we'll add all the ingredients. Not all. Oh yeah. I'm so sleepy. I slept last night like 2 o'clock in the morning. Then I woke up like, I don't know what time I woke up. I just go straight to the kitchen because I feel hungry. So now I ate breakfast. Late breakfast actually. It's 11 o'clock here already. 11:25. Now let's add all this, except the cornstarch and the green onions. We'll add that later. There we'll add vegetables, the coleslaw, the broccoli slaw. Now we're gonna need the spoons. Oops, I forgot the seasoning, I mean the Italian seasoning. Just go ahead, put this also. let's go ahead and put some oil. Either you can use oil or spray. Then let's add 1 scoop in there. I have this serving spoon. Just put your heat on a medium low. Medium. Flip that over. My omelette is not round. You can put cheese on it after you cook it. May I pass the cheese today? And then we'll put this one on the plate with a paper towel. Okay, here is another one that I made. It's kind of good. I already tried it. It's good. Let's make another one. You just cook like 2 to 3 minutes of each side. Just put your always on a medium. That way it will not get burned up. Alright everyone, here is the finish of my broccoli slaw omelette, and I have a side of avocado and also blueberry and a piece of bread, multigrain bread, sliced bread. I just cut in half. This omelette is really good. You should try it. I can promise you, you will like it. Just follow my recipe and let me know. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. And also you can share my videos to your friends and your family. Okie dokie. We'll see ya.